our friends at Sonically sent me this microphone stand so that I can review it. And I'm super excited about it because I saw their products, and their line of products are really nice with us musicians and content producers in mind. I got a bunch of microphone stands, um, all kinds of all sizes, because it's so important. It saves you time, and it's a tool that if you're a singer, if you're a content creator, you need. And this microphone stand is going to live on my desk for my voiceover work, right? So check this out. It is so well made. It's made out of metal. Wow. It's nice and embroidered. This is solid. Right? With a nice #8 right there. It is so well made. This is a rubber feet, so that you can put it on any surface and it's lid proof, which is very important, right? When you're handling very important microphones. And it comes, I love this mic adapter, this mic clip is perfect because it's universal, you see? It comes, you can put any microphone there because all you have to do is open it like that, right? And then you're set, okay? Now, let's put this together, right? It's easy, right? You just screw it here, real nice. Nice and snug. You don't over tighten this, never. And then, look at this. Haha, awesome. You see, you put this microphone there, and it's nice and set. You see that? Perfect. Now we have a microphone here, and let's set it up. You see that? Let me see so you can take a look real nice. There you go. It's nice and set up. And let me lower it so you can see it, right? So let's zoom in a little. You see, this is really, really nicely made out of metal. The universal microphone mount, so you can put either these microphones like these, or you know how the wireless mics are really, really thick because of the batteries. You could put that because it's a universal mount, right? It keeps it real sturdy. The head is reticulating right there. You see that? So you can adjust it as you wish, right? And then you can adjust the height of the microphone, right? You can adjust how high you want it. Not too much, but it's perfect for like a desk setup. But you know what it's perfect for? For bongo players, for percussion players, you put this on the floor, and because the percussion goes on the floor, if you play bongos or if you play a box, right? These wooden boxes that are now in vogue, that a lot of percussionists are using it. This microphone is perfect for that because you can put it on the floor in front of the bongos will go here, right? The bongos will go here, real nice, and it'll capture the sound, right? Yeah, love it. Thank you guys for saying it. This is going to be live here. You know, what's perfect about this is how small it is and that it's portable, right? So you can set up nice in a coffee table. Let's say that you're doing a podcast. You set up a nice coffee table next to your guest right there, and you put it like that, and there you go. You have a microphone stand that looks slick, right? It's sleek, really elegant, and you know you can impress your guest when you're doing podcasts if you set it next to them. So there's many uses for it. This is going to last forever because it's really like nice metal. Everything is metal. And these pieces right here, let me show you, these pieces right here are really, really well made. It feels really sturdy and it's portable. And I'm going to have this in my bag. Thank you guys for sending this, and it is totally recommended. Take a really, really nice look. Take my word for it. This is really, really good quality product.